Hi, I'm R.K. Mishra and today we are here to discuss the problem of e-waste and its solution.
Hi, I'm Swati. This is our message on e-waste.
हेलो दिस इज भावेश। इस साल स्वच्छता पखवाड़ा 2021 का थीम है ई वेस्ट। ई वेस्ट से रक्षा, स्वच्छता ही सुरक्षा। जैसे टेक्नोलॉजी दिन ब दिन बढ़ा जा रहा है, पहले एक सिनारियो होता था कि एक पूरे गांव में एक फोन हुआ करता था, अब हर एक आदमी के पास दो दो फोन है। तो उससे टेक्नोलॉजी और कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ी तो है, पर कहीं ना कहीं ई वेस्ट बढ़ता जा रहा है। बायोडिग्रेडेबल, इट इज टॉक्सिक एंड इट इज बायोलॉजिकल हैजार्ड, सो वी शुड फाइट टू इट एंड वी शुड रिड्यूस इट।
E-waste is one of the largest environmental problems that the world is facing today. There seems to be no immediate solution in sight, nor a mass solution. The governments are not at work, the communities are not at work, we are not at work. The number of electronic gadgets and devices that we are disposing of each year is huge. The impact on the climate change is also huge. There is tremendous amount of waste, both solid and hazardous, which is extremely toxic for all kinds of life forms. It is killing our environment, it is killing our plants, it is killing our animal life. The flora and fauna is being damaged. The open burning and dumping is polluting our agricultural land. Our rice fields are dying. Our irrigation canals are polluted.
Hello, I am Priyanka. Now I will tell you the sources of e-waste. Main sources of e-waste are as under: manufacturing industry, household use and unserviceable appliances, educational institutions and corporate sector, government offices and other organizations office appliances, retail shop discarded product and what not. और क्या?
और मैं, आप, ये स्क्रीन जिस पे आप ये सब सुन रहे हैं, potential e-waste is all around us. The amount of e-waste is incalculable because it is undocumented. Electronics are embedded in each and every facet of our lives. What are the solutions for e-waste? We can put our efforts at all levels, at individual level, at society level, at community level, by the government, at policy making level, and by organizations. What can the corporates do? First is, let us place e-bins. We all know the concept of blue dustbin and green dustbin. Blue is for dry, green is for wet. Now, in addition to these two dustbins, if we start placing another dustbin, the e-bin, that is what we can use and place at various public places. Airports, railway stations, restaurants, gardens, and other public places.
Second in line would be to create an awareness programs in all the levels. Make people aware about the ill effect of the e-waste. When you will be aware about it, you will try to make an effort to minimize the losses which created by e-waste, such as environmental losses and other harmful effect on the body of the human and on the mother.
Let's start from the grassroots. The grassroots of the society is its children. The education for waste management can be included in the part of education. And let's bring the barter system back. We can approach the big electronic companies to start a barter system of exchanging the old electronic goods for the new ones.
Now we should reuse. Always keep 3 R's in the mind: reuse, reproduction and recycle. And for technical aspects, we can use magnetic separator to separate ferrous material. To separate non-ferrous material, we can use eddy current separator, and we can also pass the MCBs through chemical solution to get copper back from it and can be reused.
What you do not need and reduce also what you do not need.
Reuse what you consume, recycle what you cannot, reduce, refuse, reuse, and compost the rest.
Recycling turns things into other thing and it's like magic.
एक बार बर्बादी, 2 बार भुगतान। अब चुनाव आपका है, इसे बर्बाद करो या बचाओ।
Yes.